I'm Khaled Saifullah, System Analyst, Department of Computer Science, University of Saskatchewan. Today I'm going to talk about P2IRC Data Management Repository and Portal, which is under P2IRC Data Management Group. Today I'm going to talk about the project overview, then I will talk about the implemented features and the future initiatives. The project has been initiated by Andy Sherb, Chanchul Roy, and Kevin Schneider as the PIs. There are people at the research teams, and we are all in the development teams. The project's goal is to have a sustainable preservation, retention, and sharing of P2IRC data and metadata. Our objective is to develop a federated repository and public-facing portal, and also we want to add our FAIR data principle, which stands for findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. We have proposed a data lake structure where each data set will pass through some zone, for example, landing zone, staging zone, reference zone, and archival zone. Within that zone, there will be some activities such as visualization, modeling, analysis, curation, governance, and so on. We always try to communicate with industry partners, academic partners, and other stakeholders to maintain the agile software engineering practice, and also we like to integrate our system with different hybrid and federated cloud repositories. We actually go through with different related initiatives such as NCBI, which is very widely used. However, it mostly focus on genome data. We also go through with GEMS, but their data analysis is very limited to RStudio and Jupyter Notebook. There are few ontology driven systems such as FISH and GenPeace. However, it is really difficult to turn specialized information into ontologies. Google Dataset Search is a search engine. However, there is no support for the data submission and the analysis. CCAN and DSpace are two different libraries for data management system. However, those are not well suited for private data repositories. Based on what we have learned from the related initiative, we came up with the design principle of our system. The system, we named it as a SciDataManager. The design principle involves multiple stakeholder needs, user-centric design, ease of use, must add value to P2IRC, and so on. Our key concepts of the portal has different types of components such as research group, user, datasets, metadata, data template, software, and news. We have designed our portal in such a way, in a tree hierarchical way, so and each of the node will be a research group. So in each of the research group node, there will be one or more datasets, there will be one or more metadata or data template, there would be one admin of that research group, and other would be the group members, and within that research group you can also define another research groups, and this way you can actually define the whole tree. So for example, if we take P2IRC as a use case, then SciDataManager would be the root of the tree, then P2IRC would be the children of the SciDataManager, all the flagships would be the children of the P2IRC, and all the groups would be the research groups would be the children of the flagships. Now if any of the research group has subgroup of projects, they can easily define from there. So based on the design, we actually define our abstract data model using ASN.1, where we actually try to define each of the entities. Now the implemented features we have is login, which is used, we both use university login, also the Globus login. We have elastic search and dynamic filter based search and filter. We have Globus data transfer based data upload and the submission. We have chunky file browser with image viewer attached data visualization. Our main goal is to have some simple, easy to use and interactive UIs for managing datasets and the group, and also we organize our data repository in such a way that dataset versioning and provenance can be supported. So these are some screenshots that of our system. The top left corner is the home page, the top right corner is the dataset list view after search and filter, bottom left corner is the data viewer at the front and dataset details at the back, and the bottom right corner is the group details view. We also conducted some meetings with the flagships, and we come up with the some requirements. For example, one of the common requirements is crosswalk between different dataset with the plot vision. Flagship 1 has other requirements such as uploading to the NCBI, dataset versioning, cleaning, sharing. Flagship 3 has a different requirements such as organizing canola datasets and integrating annotation tools. Flagship 4 has the requirements such as fast access and sharing of active data. Our future initiatives involves deploying, testing, and the production server, then communication with data analysis platforms such as our own build VisSafeFlow. We want to support data transportation between data management systems such as NCBI or Nopals to the data analysis platforms such as Plot Vision. We like to initiate the dataset versioning. Also, we will integrate standard metadata template. This is our current demo sites, and I am happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you very much.